So everybody has a goal. Everybody wants more money, more freedom, and a better life. But wanting it means nothing. Talking about it means nothing. Most people quit the moment it gets uncomfortable. So when it gets boring and when no one is watching. When results take longer than they expected. So why not you? Why not be the one who keeps going when motivation disappears? Why not be the one who shows up on the days it feels pointless? People talk about luck like it's random, like it just falls on certain people. But the truth is simple. The harder you work, the luckier you get. Luck is just discipline stacking up. Early mornings, late nights, and doing the work when no one is clapping for you. You don't need to be special. You don't need to have permission. If you have discipline, anything is possible. Not overnight, not next week, but if you stay consistent long enough, life has no choice but to move. So ask yourself again, why not you? And then stop asking and start doing the work.